This question is a common problem that parents run into. This is from Ashley, and it has to do with separation anxiety. Dear Dr. Phelan, please, I need help. My 4-year-old daughter, whenever I drop her off at school, throws a fit. She grabs my legs, she screams, she seems to be inconsolable. I have to literally pry her off of my body and then leave, and it breaks my heart to see her and hear her there being so upset with the school staff doing the best they can to reassure both of us. What can I do about this? Well, actually, this is a common problem. You see this in a lot of children, especially the little ones. And some kids, you can drop them off, they're fine. Other kids, you drop them off and they go nuts. And some kids go in and out of it. Sometimes they'll be fine for a while and then they'll have a hard time. My daughter, when she was going to preschool, the little bus had come out in the driveway, and she'd go out there with tears coming down her face because she was sad about having to leave us and having to go to school. So the way to deal with this is not what you'd expect. What you don't want to do is do a long goodbye. Long goodbyes just make the kids more upset. You become master of what I call the quick exit. So you kiss her goodbye, you tell her when you're going to see her again, and you get out of there as fast as you can. And the school personnel are often, well versed in how to handle this kind of thing. Sometimes I've even had the kids draw pictures, or the parent will give the child a picture that the child drew about them getting together again in the afternoon. But usually, if you don't talk about it too much, you're very gentle, you get out of there. And then I also suggest you call the school after you're at work or wherever you're going, and ask them, how long was my daughter upset? The average is about 82 seconds, so it really goes away pretty quickly. And that can be very reassuring to parents and help with your guilt about the feeling that you're abandoning them. So very upsetting problem, very common, not that difficult to manage if you really know what you're doing. So good luck.